Imagine this, you walk into your garage, but instead of hearing the familiar growl of a V8, you're greeted by absolute silence, not because your car is off, but because your Corvette is now electric. Fully silent, fully futuristic, and still, undeniably. American General Motors just dropped a concept from their new UK design team that flips the script on everything we know about the Corvette, and while it's made across the pond, this vehicle could reshape the American EV landscape faster than a Tesla Model S Plaid at full send. So why should you care? Because this concept isn't just another prototype. It's a signpost for where performance cars in the US are headed, and spoiler alert, it looks nothing like your daddy's Corvette. Start with what hits your eyes first, the exterior. This concept Corvette steps into the spotlight with a two-tone body. Crisp white on top, deep black on the bottom. It's not just a paint job, it's a design statement. Every curve, every line, every intake is designed with aerodynamic function in mind. The front lights stretch into razor-thin slits, giving it a predatory look that says it's ready to pounce, even while parked. There's no massive spoiler shouting for attention. Instead, air flows through sculpted channels beneath the body. Quiet, controlled, deadly effective. Then there's that split rear windshield. A subtle but deliberate nod to the Corvettes of the 1960s. A bridge between heritage and high-tech. The silhouette still screams Corvette with its mid-engine proportion and planted stance. But the details, like the fully 3D printed body panels and massive gullwing doors, push this design into the next decade. It's futuristic without losing its soul, and that's no easy feat. Step inside, and things get even more interesting. The interior tosses out clutter in favor of clarity. Minimalism is the theme, but not at the expense of comfort or tech. The seats are molded directly into the car's structure, more sculpture than furniture, yet still shaped for American-sized comfort. There's legroom, shoulder space, and a wide console that feels more GT car than cramped coupe-up. Front, a rectangular yoke-style steering wheel gives you pilot vibes. And yes, it's a love it or hate feature, but it fits perfectly in this cockpit. The dash is sleek, clean, digital, and likely to support full customization. From gauge layouts to ambient lighting themes, infotainment, you know GM is watching the US tech market closely. Expect massive screens, snappy touch response, and a layout that puts Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and GM's own software suite right at your fingertips. And of course, cloud services for over-the-air updates, driver profiles, and even integration with smart home ecosystems. Now, let's talk sound, not from the exhaust, but from the speakers. This concept is rumored to include a high-fidelity sound system engineered with American audiophiles in mind. Think immersive cabin tuning, active noise cancelling, and rich bass that hits just right on the freeway. You won't miss engine rumble when your playlist sounds like a live concert performance. Even though this is just a concept, GM's hints give us a lot to work with. An all-electric platform, likely dual or tri-motor configuration, which means instant torque, all-wheel drive, an acceleration that could easily rival or surpass current EV supercars. Horsepower numbers haven't been confirmed, but expect north of 700, maybe more. 0 to 60 times will almost certainly drop below 3 seconds, all while riding low and wide for that planted Corvette feel. Americans love range, crucial for us drivers, especially those not living on the coasts. We're talking at least 300 miles if GM wants to compete seriously, and with structural battery integration, the weight distribution and efficiency could be best in class. Charging speed, another must-have. If this Corvette can't do at least 250 kilowatts on a DC fast charger, it'll fall behind. But GM has shown they understand the US charging network. Expect compatibility with CCS supercharger access, thanks to the Tesla deal. and home charging options that make overnight top-offs a breeze on the road. Ride quality should reflect the brand's luxury sport balance. Expect magnetic ride control, whisper quiet cruising, and a suspension tuned for both twisty mountain roads and smooth interstate blasts. This is not just a track toy. It's a real contender for American Grand Touring safety. Another area where us buyers demand the best, this Corvette will likely include a full suite of driver aids from adaptive cruise control to automatic emergency braking to lane keeping. GM will probably aim for a 5-star NHTSA rating alongside Level 2 or even Level 3 driver assistance, not just to meet expectations, but to future-proof the model for evolving American regulations. Now let's look at the big picture pros. You get a visually stunning design that stands out without screaming. You get cutting-edge EV performance, you get real comfort and tech tailored to us drivers. And you get all of that with the Corvette nameplate stamped proudly on the front. Cons: it's still just a concept, no official specs, no timeline, no price. Some traditional Corvette fans might not warm up to the electric transformation and the yoke steering wheel, yet that's going to be controversial. So, who is this car really for? It's for the American driver who wants next-level performance without sacrificing style or comfort. It's for the tech lover who appreciates seamless software and over-the-air updates as much as horsepower. It's for the EV skeptic who still wants to feel connected to the road, and maybe, just maybe, it's for the die-hard Corvette fan who's ready to see what the future looks like. If GM brings this concept to production, even in a limited run, it won't just be a car. It'll be a statement that America's sports car can evolve without compromise, and maybe, just maybe, lead the electric revolution in style. Thanks for watching. This has been Shift Path. Stay charged and stay curious.